everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. We have an exciting video today because I have a handbag unboxing. I have two items, but one is a handbag. I have not looked at it yet, but I feel like it could be a good dupe. No, not dupe. A good alternative to the Loewe puzzle bag, which you know is my all-time favorite handbag, and I can't believe that Loewe is discontinuing it. They are going to be replacing it with the, I believe it's called the Puzzle Edge. In my opinion, it's not as nice. I don't know what Loewe is thinking getting rid of the puzzle, because I feel like the OG is just a classic. Anyway, I digress. I have two pieces to show you. One is more of a fall winter item, and like I said, one is a handbag. These are both from Farfetch. I am working with Farfetch on this video. I love working with them because I always feel like if I can collaborate with a company that I purchase from regularly with my own coin, then I feel like it's organic and it's natural, and you know that I truly love the company because I like I said, I spend my own money there. The last item that I bought from them was my Saint Laurent toy shopper in the mock croc. I've been shopping on Farfetch for years, but if you aren't familiar with them, essentially they're an online platform that connects people from all around the globe to over 1,400 different brands, department stores, luxury boutiques. Basically anything you type you can probably find. It's also really cool because they have their stadium goods section. So if you're a sneakerhead like me, or you just like streetwear, you can find a lot of hard to access premier shoes. It's also cool because it's sort of stress-free returns too. So if something doesn't work out for you, you don't need to worry about that. They also have their Positively Farfetch section, and that features a lot of sustainable businesses and brands. Within that, there is also their pre-owned section, so you can find a lot of timeless classics that you know are going to be authentic. I love Farfetch. Usually I can get my items within, I would say, max 4 days. Usually it takes only about 2 to 3, and like I said, a lot of it is coming from different boutiques all around the world. So one of them I know came from Browns in the Netherlands, and I've gotten quite a few things from Browns before, and the other one came from Witkak, I think that's how it's pronounced, in Poland. That's where I got my Ferragamo bag, and there's also another item that I got from Witkak. I think it might have been my Ghani scarf. I can't remember what it was, but all right, enough talking. Let's just open this up. Like I said, the shipping was really fast. I received free shipping. So anytime you buy something from Farfetch, you can enter into their Access program, and then the more you buy, you get into different tiers, and there's different exclusive rewards. So with this one, I had free shipping. So let's open the handbag first. I don't want to show you my address. All I did was sort of tear the box open, but let's open it up. I don't want to show you the brand either. I kind of want to make it a surprise, but I guess I'm gonna have to show you the brand anyways. It is by J.W. Anderson. So if you don't know, J.W. Anderson is the creative director at Loewe, and he designed the puzzle bag. So I have never bought anything from his own brand, but I'm really excited, like I said, because this could be such a good alternative to the Loewe puzzle. And I feel like it's October now. People are beginning to get ready for the holiday season and thinking about different gifts. So this is a gift to me, but I feel like this could be a really good gift for a handbag lover as well. So it just says J.W. Anderson on the side. And like I said, I have not opened this up yet because I always love just doing a real sort of true unboxing or a true reaction to a handbag, so you know if I do like it or not. So here we go. Here it is. The shape is sort of similar to the Loewe. I think because right now it's stuffed, but when it's unstuffed, it kind of has a little bit of that, what is it, that slouchiness that the puzzle bag has. But okay, let me catch my breath really quickly, and let me open her up. I'm gonna take out some of the stuffing. So here she is in all of her glory. I think it's a good alternative to the Loewe. So what I did is I just took out all the stuffing, and I undid the, now I'm so, whenever I get really excited, I can't formulate sentences. But I took off the wrapping around the strap, so it's a little bit, I have to smooth it out a little bit, as you can see, because it was folded. But do you see kind of that signature slouchiness that you get with the puzzle bag. I love it. I love it so much. And it's by J.W. Anderson, and he designed the puzzle bag. And it also has this top handle similar to the puzzle bag. It does have his signature like enlarged curb chain, which I feel like if you know J.W. Anderson, you know it's always going to include typically some sort of curb chain there. So this is gold hardware, and typically I really like silver hardware, but I could not pass this up. If you're into the minimalist handbags as well as that quiet luxury, I think that this is a really great option because there isn't a lot of branding. You can barely see that it says J.W. Anderson right there. I think the only thing that kind of gives away the brand, like I mentioned before, is that signature oversized curb link or curb chain detail. But other than that, there's, again, no real branding except for the zipper pull that says J.W. Anderson. But I mean, you have to get pretty up close to see that. Show you the details. So let's start there, Lauren. Let's focus. So like I said, you can have this beautiful slouch like that, and when you fill it up, I feel like it's going to slouch a little bit more. Or if you like the boxier look, like you can do with the puzzle bag, you can also carry it like this, but I love the slouch, let's be real. The zipper pull there says J.W. Anderson, and then it has that signature, like I said, that curb chain there, the oversized curb chain. It does have a knot detail. The strap is adjustable as well as removable too. So I don't know what setting it's on. It's not on the highest setting or the shortest setting. I tend to like to wear my handbag pretty high, so I'm definitely going to adjust the setting, and I'm going to move it to the shortest setting. But just note that it is removable like the puzzle bag, and it is also adjustable. There are no feet on the bottom, just has that stitching detail there, and then the back has nothing on the back, and then the only logo detail that you're going to see is it just says J.W. Anderson there. But this calf leather is stunning. So let's open her up because I haven't even looked inside yet. There is one fairly large pocket in the back. I can't show you because the inside is black. I don't know if it's canvas. Yeah, it's like a black kind of canvas material. So there's one fairly large card slot on the back, and there's nothing on the front. So there's only one pocket, and then that's it. So it's pretty bare bones, but like I said, I feel like it's going to be such a good alternative to the Loewe puzzle bag. So I do have that here, and I want to show you very briefly. So you can either wear the puzzle, again, sort of more boxy, but I like to have it when it's a little bit more droopy. And now you can see, let me just droop this one a little bit too. You can see the size comparison between the two handbags, very similar. So while I don't think it looks the exact same, it does have a lot of similarities. You can see the top handle there, also really similar. That's the side view. I think that this one might be a little bit bigger in general, but they're pretty similar. And then that's the back. Amazing. This is also made in Spain, and my Loewe is made in Spain as well. So again, look at the two sort of side by side, and then I'll put this one so it's more boxy, and I'll do this one so it's more boxy. So there you go. As in my excitement, I haven't even told you the name of this bag. This is called the Corner Bag. There are tons of different colors as well. There's a duotone, which I was going in between, but I decided to go with the classic black. But the duotone was gorgeous. It was black on one side and then this beautiful taupey beige on the other. But you know me, I love a classic black handbag, but it is gifting season. So start thinking about your wish list or who you're gonna buy for, and check out Farfetch because they just have the best selection, honestly. Second one, like I said, came to me from Witkak in Poland, and I haven't opened this one up, but I'm gonna try and do that now. That's why I always like to do this part off camera, because it can be a little bit noisy and annoying, but there's the paperwork there. And it's in this tiny little dust bag. I didn't actually think they were gonna give me a dust bag, but this is by the brand Ami. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I will butcher it, but the brand itself is called Ami, and it is a beanie. I love beanies, and like I said, because the cooler weather is coming up, I really want to get a new one. I have my Ghani one that I really love. I have my other one by Peace and Quiet that I also wear, and then I have a bunch by Aritzia, but I don't have any in this gray color. And I wanted the gray with the red heart detail. I love it. It's so soft. So this is wool, I believe, and now I'm just probably have messed up my hair. It is 100% virgin wool, and it is made in Italy. It is so soft. I can't wear wool clothing because I get an allergy, and then I get I break out in hives, but I can always get away with wool beanies. So it's just really soft, really beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to pick up my husband one of these, but definitely go and check out Farfetch. Like I mentioned, it is the start of gifting season. Whether you're creating a wish list for yourself or your loved ones, make Farfetch your go-to. They have such a great selection. Like I said, whether you're into a lot of luxury goods or contemporary brands or sneakers, they have everything. So let me know if you want an in-depth review on this handbag, if you want to see what it looks like on, if you want to see what fits in it, if you want to see an in-depth sort of comparison between the puzzle bag as well as this JW Anderson corner bag. I can definitely do that. And until I see you next time, have a good day. Bye.